Before we get into the video, check the description and join our daily giveaways.
The EOS coin is just near the start of its excursion, which is very critical. It stands separated from cutting-edge financial norms, both in its exceptionally specific attributes and in the size of its objectives, which is very critical. An immediate appearance reality, more than $4 billion raised during the EOS objective is to change into an undertaking great answer for kind of decentralized applications sending. The social affair of the undertaking shows a really skillful strategy for dealing with the endeavor's particular documentation, media appearance and generally speaking presence in the business. This reality assisted the coin with obtaining thought from 2 or 3 basic financial supporters and raise one of the most mind-blowing market capitalizations in the business. What is EOS and for what reason do money-related promoters trust in it, or so they thought? The Block.1 Improvement Pack, organizer behind EOS, drove by Dan Larimer, was fortunate to persuade groups with respect to individuals to take trust in the endeavor / benefit in every way that really matters, significant way. All along, they articulated the formation of a circumnavigated working design with smart arrangements like Ethereum, however much better. So the EOS was promptly communicated as an ETH killer / The idea and procedure for project execution itself were exceptionally captivating for clients. If at one time Ethereum became a genuine leap forward and is still overwhelmingly notable, what could occur on the off chance that something like this showed up, yet normally sort of more grounded? The undertaking is by and large committed to giving a predictable relationship to decentralized applications in an unobtrusive manner. The planning of EOS is organized such that awards it to offer dApps originators for the most part essential sending, overhauls and bug recuperation. Likewise, as a blockchain network, EOS can explicitly give secure correspondence, information insurance and control impediment. In any case, the coin remains broadly subject to advertised dangers in Bitcoin / prominence. It is apparently the EOS cost history keeps as a guideline region lead no matter what the coin / solid situation as one of the basic exceptionally mechanized sorts of money and immense idea from institutional financial allies. At any rate, the EOS quote shows coin / promising future and solid opportunities to progress both in its cost and in its thing consolidates. EOS regard history as outstandingly useful. Its reasonable market specialty close by unambiguous unpredictability of the get-together equipped it with especially useful new development and positive media presence. EOS regard suppositions were extraordinarily consoling, assisting the coin with becoming one of the basic pieces of the business, which it stays to be right up to the ongoing day. EOS price prediction 2022. As per the very unambiguous evaluation of EOS costs expected in 2022, the base expense of EOS will be $1.37. The most ludicrous level that the EOS cost can reach is $1.54. The typical exchanging cost is somewhat customary around $1.44. EOS price forecast for September 2022. Taking into account the value changes of EOS near the start of 2022, crypto specialists expect the ordinary EOS speed of $1.30 in September 2022. Its base and most conspicuous costs can be anticipated at $1.18 and at $1.34, solely. October 2022, EOS price forecast. Cryptographic money specialists are prepared to articulate their check for the EOS cost in October 2022 in a significant way. The base exchanging cost may be $1.27, while as far as possible could explicitly reach $1.40 during this month. Overall, it is essentially customary that the worth of EOS may be around $1.33. EOS price forecast for November 2022. Crypto experts sort of have really researched the value variances of EOS in 2022 and in earlier years, so the run-of-the-mill EOS rate they anticipate may be around $1.38 in November 2022. It can drop to $1.32 as a base. The best worth may be $1.47. December 2022, EOS price forecast. Around mid-year 2022, The EOS cost will sort of be exchanged at $1.44 by and large. December 2022 could likewise see an expansion in the EOS worth to $1.54. It in every practical sense, is recognized that the cost drop a lot of lower than $1.37 in December 2022. EOS Price Prediction 2023. After the evaluation of the costs of EOS in earlier years, it is recognized that in 2023, the base cost of EOS will be around $1.98. The most unbelievable expected EOS cost might be around $2.40. For the most part, the exchanging cost may be $2.05 in 2023, which basically is very critical. EOS Price Prediction 2024. Taking into account the exceptionally specific appraisal by modernized cash specialists concerning the costs of EOS, in 2024, EOS ought to have the going with least and most ridiculous costs, about $2.82 and $3.45, autonomously. The average expected exchanging cost is $2.92. EOS Price Prediction 2025 in a significant manner. The specialists in the field of modernized cash have dismantled the costs of EOS and their movements during the earlier years, which is genuinely huge. It is recognized that in 2025, the base EOS cost could drop to $4.05, while its most breaking point can reach $4.89. As a rule, the exchanging cost will be around $4.16. EOS Price Prediction 2026. Taking into account the appraisal of the expenses of EOS by crypto-prepared experts, the going with most conspicuous and least EOS costs explicitly are run-of-the-mill in 2026, $6.82 and $5.71. Generally, it will be exchanged at $5.87. EOS Price Prediction 2027. Crypto specialists are reliably inspecting the insecurities of EOS. Taking into account their guesses, the reviewed essentially common EOS cost will be around $8.45. It could drop to no sort of under $8.16, yet it truly could reach $9.94 all through 2027. EOS Price Prediction 2028. Dependably, high-level money specialists plan measures to the detriment of EOS. It is studied that EOS will be exchanged some spot the extent of $12.07 and $14.33 in 2028. Its standard expense is normal at around $12.40 during the year. EOS Price Prediction 2029. Automated cash experts are prepared to report their assessment